Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can make your own Irish moss pills, which are great for treating chronic dry coughs. Hey guys, I'm going to show you one of the things that we're doing to prepare for a possible outbreak in our city for the coronavirus. One of the things that we're doing is getting a hold of a lot of herbal antivirals. There are no antiviral over-the-counter medicines that you can purchase at the store. So really the only option for civilians are herbs. Herbs that have been studied and have been proven to have antiviral properties. And so my family is stocking up on some of those herbs that have antiviral properties. And we're also getting herbs that reduce the severity of the symptoms that are associated with the coronavirus. And one of those materials is called Irish moss. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put Irish moss into a pill. It's a lot of herbs, you would make a tea or a tincture out of the herb, but with Irish moss, you want to put it in a pill or just add the powder to a drink or to your food. But today I'm going to show you how you can make a pill from Irish moss. And what Irish moss does is it's very helpful for dry coughs and chronic dry coughs, and that is one of the symptoms of the coronavirus. The Irish moss also has iodine, trace minerals, proteins, and amino acids that would help your body to recover from the effects of the inflammation on your lungs. It also has a cooling and a nourishing effect on the body. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and roll the footage of me making the pills so you can get an idea of what's involved in that process. So thanks for watching, guys.